We are going to see the auscultation of the lungs. The normal sounds of the lungs are tracheal, bronchial, bronchiovesicular, and vesicular. Vesicular means in the alveoli. Alright. If we just have diminished of these normal sounds, could be bilateral or unilateral. If is diminished sounds just in one side of the chest, in one lung, unilateral, it is pneumothorax. Well, in the differential diagnosis, we certainly include the pneumothorax. If it is bilateral, it is distress to both lungs. All the lungs are in the same stage of damage. This could be asthma or acute respiratory distress syndrome, as an example. Now, the adventitious sounds are coarse bronchi, coarse breath sounds, crackles, that could be fine crackles or coarse crackles, wheezing, stridor, rhonchi, and egophony. Alright, in coarse breath sounds, this usually indicates an inflammatory infection disease, like pneumonia or bronchiolitis. This is infection. It is non-specific, but could be infection, and it is not pitch sound like the other. All right, crackles could be fine crackles or coarse crackle. Fine crackles is like like the sound of the fireplaces, and it is more common in atelectasias. In atelectasias, when we breathe and we listen that the collapsed alveoli is expanding, that is the sound of the fine crackles. The opening of a collapsed alveoli. And coarse crackles indicates opening of airway and fluid in the lung. This is more like when we exhale in under the water. Wheezing is a high pitch sound. It indicates obstruction of the airway. Usually in adults could be COPD. In infants could be asthma, also is a COPD disease, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. But also if a child has sudden wheezing, we can think in aspiration. Could be aspiration of food or of foreign body. Also, we listen wheezing in respiratory syncytial virus. And stridor is also a high pitch sound. We listen it in the trachea, and it indicates obstruction of the trachea or larynx. Rhonchi are low pitch monophonic sound. Monophonic sound that is usually in for example, in COPD could be chronic bronchitis, because rhonchi indicates secretion and obstruction. In chronic bronchitis, we have a lot of secretion by goblet cells, so we could listen this. Egophony is an auditory phenomenon. This is, we ask the patient to say E, and we listen as if the patient says A. So we say, please say E, and we will listen A. This is egophony, and we listen this in consolidation. Consolidation is like in pneumonia. In lobar pneumonia, we would listen A when the patient says E. Alright, so the adventitious sounds are coarse breath sounds, crackles, wheezing, rhonchi, stridor, and echophony. Coarse breath sounds is just indicative, non-specific and non-pitched sound. It means usually infection like bronchiolitis or pneumonia. Ronca is a low-pitched sound that indicates secretion and obstruction. Stridor is a high-pitched sound in the trachea that indicates obstruction of larynx or trachea. Wheezing is a high-pitched sound, polyphonic, that indicates obstruction of the airway. Could be in COPD. In a child, sudden wheezing could be aspiration. You can also listen it in asthma or respiratory syncytial virus. And the crackles could be fine or coarse. If they are coarse, is fluid in the lungs and listening to the opening of airways. And fine crackles is just the opening of a collapsed alveoli in